Do you want to go first?
Sure. How's it going? My name's Sean.
Montana.
Montana?
Yeah.
Well, welcome to Mattress Direct.
It's good to be here.
Why don't you tell me a little bit about yourself?
Well, I already said my name, so I don't have to do that again.
Montana. All
Yeah,
right.
3 syllables. I'm bald. Get that in there, man. Yeah, Montana is my name. Police officer for 12 years. I've been in the military for 16 years as an Army Reservist. Got 2 deployments to Iraq. As a police officer, I'm on the SWAT team. More importantly, I've got 4 kids and a lovely wife. It's lovely.
Brownie points.
Uh-huh. Nailed it.
All right. So that's a lot more things than most people fit into a short amount of time. Like, that's a lifespan of stuff. So, military, tough enough. Then you have to deal with the public and the worst possible facilities as a police officer, I take it.
Yeah, I mean, that's essentially why guys like me do what we do. So we can be at the right place at the right time to have a positive impact on somebody's life.
I would hope that you're pretty well rested dealing with all of those.
Well, rest does come into play quite a bit, especially working midnights, getting off a 12-hour shift, having 4 kids and all under 9 years old. 2 of them aren't in school, so when they want to see daddy, I'm pretty awesome. So,
well,
you know what I'm saying? Just kidding.
We just met, and I can agree with that. I mean, that's a fair statement.
You're pretty awesome too.
Midnights.
Yeah.
Is that always your gig? Like working midnight, overnights?
It is preferable to me that I would like to work midnights. However, sleeping during the day, like I'll typically get probably 3 to 5 hours of sleep on a typical day after I get off shift. So,
you know, the average is like they recommend 7 to 8
yeah,
is what you always hear.
Well aware of the average.
All right,
absolutely.
Well.
Yeah, so that comes into play a lot, especially recently. It's been coming into play.
What's of recent happening?
My house burnt down.
Your house burnt down and right before
Christmas. That was a trying time for the whole family, and for the first month after that happened, I literally got 3 to 4 hours of sleep a night. I had great support with my leaders at work and friends and family in church. Man, that's been the biggest blessing, was how friends and family and the community is the thin blue line, and everything has been there to help.
Having a support group for anything like that you can fall back on is amazing.
Oh, for sure.
And like getting that quality of sleep, and you're constantly up and down, and you're a father. That's a full-time job in itself. So like even those 4 to 5 hours of getting good quality sleep, it could be better than getting that 7 to 8 hour average crap. But like now you're not even sleeping on your normal bed.
Right.
So here at Mattress Direct, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret I kind of knew about the fire. But whenever you guys are settled, on behalf of Mattress Direct, we are going to get you sleeping on something. We're gonna get you taken care of.
I knew this was fishy.
Oh, it's not my cologne today.
Oh man.
I really want to thank you for coming out, and I really do appreciate. No, man,
yeah, come here.
Oh, no, man.
Brother's got a hug.
This is a small thing that we can do, but if we can help you get just 3 to 4 hours of deeper sleep, so that you can go out and
I love deep sleep.
Help save lives, or just help make the community better. That means a lot to us and to me personally. So. Thank you for coming out and bringing your awesome family.
My pleasure. That's one of the toughest things, and I've shared this a lot. It was for me to accept the help because I enjoy helping others. And so a pastor at church actually told me, he said, there's a time and a place for you to receive, and this is it.